Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are gonna do a quick little video. I figured I'd make this a separate video, so if I'm in the same gear you saw me in before, sorry. We're gonna do a quick little repotting video. We're gonna pot up a couple of fairy garden cactus and a bunch of different little Echeveria, sedum, hybrid, pretty succulents. Let's get started. This cute little FairyTale cactus. My mom got them at the grocery store, but I have a feeling they're pretty root bound. So we're gonna get those started. And then we have this pot of really gorgeous succulents here. What does it say? It doesn't say what they are, but I think they're a mixture of sedum, echeveria, I don't know, but they're so pretty and so colorful. We're gonna put them in these pots here. So let's just jump right into it. Are you gonna help? Do you want to help us? I'm gonna take that as a no. All right, we got the first one in there. Ooh, those are pretty.
Gotta get a brush.
Brush them off when we're done. Look at that. See, I told you they were ready.
Okay, like
That's
that?
Perfect, yeah. Yep.
Just like that, and
Yeah,
then
that's
stick
fine.
them in.
Cute.
How dry.
Yeah,
Wow.
see?
A little more.
A little bit more. Does that hurt your back being down there like that?
Of course it does.
That's why I plant my stuff at my kitchen counter.
Right? Right?
Oh,
Is that all right?
Cute, yeah.
Okay.
That is so cute. I love it. Aww. Watch your fingers. Well, those spikes aren't that sharp.
There really aren't. No, I don't think. I mean, so far I haven't felt a thing.
So cute. I love that one. Can't wait to get mine potted up. There's one. And there's two. I love it. Okay guys, I told you that was gonna be quick. Thanks for joining us on this repotting day. I love cactus, I love succulents. Part of me wants to move to the desert, but in the meantime, I'll just continue to build a desert in my Chicago home. Thanks guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.